Hello students, welcome to biology class. Okay, so we will going to continue about the chapter number 2, sexual reproduction in plant. In this chapter we are going to learn about post fertilization events. Okay, so post fertilization events means the events that takes place after double fertilization. Okay, all of you know during double fertilization one male gamete get fused with the egg cell. It means female gamete, it forms zygote. Okay, and other male gamete fuse with the polar nuclei and form PEN. It means primary endosperm nucleus. Okay, so this is the diagram of ovary after double fertilization. Okay, and this part is embryo sac and it is converted into PEC, primary endosperm cell. Okay, and zygote is freely moved into the cytoplasm of PEC. Okay, and this part is ovule and full part is ovary. Okay, so this structure is formed after double fertilization. Okay, and this going to develop into different parts of the fruit. Okay, so post fertilization events consist. First is development of endosperm from PEC. Okay, development of endosperm from PEN or PEC. It means this full PEC get converted into endosperm. Okay, so here I will draw the diagram of post fertilization events. This PEC get converted into endosperm tissue. This full white part is endosperm tissue. It is formed from the PEC or PEN and it is endosperm development. Okay, next is development of embryo from zygote. Okay, so this zygote is developed, multiplied by mitotic division and developed into full embryo. Okay, so you can see here a diagram. This full part, pink color part, is the embryo which is developed from the zygote. Okay, now what is the function of endosperm? So endosperm is required for the development of the embryo. It provides nutrition to the developing embryo. Okay, next this ovule. Okay, the third is development of seed from ovule. Okay, so this ovule develop into the seed. Okay, so this full part is seed. Okay, so this ovule get developed into seed, and then last is development of fruit from ovary. Okay, so this full ovary get developed into the full fruit. Okay, and the other parts like a pistil, stamen, petals, sepals are fall off from the flower. Okay, and this full flower get converted into the fruit. Okay, so fruit, inside fruit there is a seed and inside seed there is a endosperm and embryo. Okay, and this when we sow this seed, after eating a fruit we throw the seed, and this from seed this embryo develop a new plant. Okay, these all events we will learn about one by one in next video. Okay, first of all we will learn endosperm development, then embryo development, then seed, types of seeds, and then types of fruits and fruit development. Okay, so in post fertilization event, the first event is endosperm development. Okay, so first of all the endosperm develop first and it is followed by embryo development. Okay, so you can ask the question why embryo development followed by endosperm development or endosperm development precedes embryo development. You have to write that the cells of triploid endosperm tissue filled with reserve food material. It means the endosperm having the food material, and this food material provide nutrition to developing embryo. Okay, so the embryo get developed from the zygote. When zygote develop into embryo, it requires nutrition, and this nutrition is provided by this endosperm tissue. Okay, so first endosperm development is necessary for the development of embryo. So endosperm development precedes embryo development. Okay, so this endosperm develops from PEN. Okay, the endosperm develops from PEN, primary endosperm nucleus. Okay, the first PEN undergoes successive nuclear division to give rise to free nuclei. Okay, so you can see in diagram, this is the diagram of embryo sac. Okay, and this is PEN. Okay, this is PEN and this is zygote. Okay, so before zygote development means embryo development, the PEN undergoes free nuclear division. It means only nuclei get divided. It does not followed by the cell wall formation. Okay, so here this nuclei get divided mitotically into two nuclei first, two free nuclei. Okay, and it does not followed by cell wall formation. Again, these two nuclei undergo mitotic division, and this form four nuclei. Okay, so, and likewise this mitotic division takes place. It means free nuclear division, successive free nuclear division. One nuclear division, then second, then third. Okay, so then four nuclei get form 8 nuclei, and these 8 nuclei again go into free nuclear division. It will form 16 nuclei. Okay, so this wise the nucleus get divided in from PEN. Okay, so PEN undergoes successive nuclear division to give rise to free nuclei. Okay, so these all are free nuclei. Okay, and this stage is called free nuclear endosperm. So a stage of endosperm is called free nuclear endosperm. Okay, endosperm. Now from here this nucleus start developing cell wall. Okay, so it will form start these all nuclei. Okay, these all nuclei, now cell wall formation occur. Okay, in this the cell wall formation begin around the endosperm nucleus, and this stage is become cellular endosperm. It means these all are endosperm cell, and it become endosperm tissue. Now this endosperm tissue having a nutrition, and it provide nutrition to zygote, and zygote start developing into embryo. Okay, one example is here. Okay, all of you know about tinder coconut. Okay, tinder coconut means green coconut. Okay, in all of you have drink coconut water from tinder coconut. Okay, so this coconut water is nothing but it is a free nuclear endosperm. Okay, so this water having only nucleus. Okay, and it is a free nuclear endosperm. Okay, so as this tinder coconut mature, this free water get converted into the white kernel, which is edible part of the coconut. All of you have eat the white part of the coconut. Okay, and this white kernel part is nothing but it is a cellular endosperm. This free nuclear endosperm develops into the cellular endosperm. So the coconut water is free nuclear endosperm, and the white kernel additional part is a cellular endosperm.